Good evening everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Funkal Quatra from IME Law College. I am currently a legal intern at Lexis and Company, and the topic that I am going to discuss today is Supreme Court issued a notice to center over scrapped section 66A of IT Act. So in 2015 this section that is 66A of IT Act was scrapped by the court, and this court was of the opinion that it violates the right to speech and expression of an individual. But some of the police officer are still arresting innocent people over under this section, and this came in the view when NGO PUCL, full form is People Union of Civil Liberty, filed an application in the court and against the center, and they told the court that many people are being arrested under this section, under this scrapped section. And to this, a bench of Justice R.F. Narima, K.M. Joseph and B.R. Gawai issued a notice to the center, and Justice Narim said that amazing, what is going is terrible. So first PIL was filed in 2012 against this section by Shreya Singhal only, and in 2015 in case of Shreya Singhal versus Union of India only the section was scrapped off. So in 2012 Shreya Singhal, a law student, sought to amend the section 68 of the act after two girls named Shaheen Daba and Renu Srivastava were arrested in Thana district after they post something about shutdown in Mumbai over Shiv Sena leader, and many of the people like that post. So, but in 2015, in the case Shreya Singhal versus Union of India, the section was scrapped off because the court think that this section is vague and is arbitrary. So I will tell you now what section 68 was. So section 68 of the IT Act was used to punish online communication which is considered grossly offense, mimicking, or to send communication with the sender known to be false to be cause annoyance, inconvenience, danger, obstruction, insult, injury, criminal intimidation, enmity, hatred, or ill by the Supreme Court on 24 March 2015. So, Sanjay Parikh, who is representing the NGO, he said to the court, despite express direction of the court in 2019 that all the state government should sensitize its police personnel about the March 24, 2015 judgment, and thousands of cases have been registered under this section. So it meant to said that the court in 2019 said to the state government to tell or to inform its police officers that section is no longer in law, but the state doesn't do that, and many of the innocent people are being arrested under this section. So to this the bench replied that yes, we have seen these figures, don't worry, we will do something. And Parekh said that as a lot of people are suffering, so there should be some method to resolve this. So Attorney General K.K. Vinogopal, appearing for the centre, said that if one sees the IT Act carefully, the footnote of section 66A, it has been written that the section has been scrapped off. But many of us don't read the IT Act carefully, and no one sees the footnote. So we should do that. Section 60A, in the bracket of section 66A of IT Act, we should write that this section has been scrapped off, and in the footnote we should write that verdict of 2015, so that everyone should get aware. And to this, Justice Narim said that you please file counter in 2 weeks. We have issued a notice, list the matter after 2 weeks. And Parekh also told the court that scrapping the section, there were 2 to 9 pending cases. Since then, 1307 new cases had been registered, of which 570 are still pending, and the majority of cases are from Maharashtra. In Maharashtra, there are 381 cases. In Jharkhand, there is 291 cases. In Uttar Pradesh, there is 245, and in Rajasthan there is 192. And the NGO saw direction to the union government, so that they can give publication in newspapers both in English and vernacular, informing people that section 66A of IT Act is no more, so that people get aware, and innocent people that are being arrested, they should get relief. So this was the latest update that I gave you, and that's it for the video. Do let me know that you liked it or not, and keep liking, keep sharing, and keep subscribing to our channel for more such videos. Thank you for this video.